When looking at the current financial landscape, it is easy to get overwhelmed by flashy credit cards promising luxury travel perks that most people rarely actually use. The Visa Traditional Rewards Credit Card from Purdue Federal Credit Union takes a refreshingly different approach by focusing on stability and straightforward value rather than glittery gimmicks. This card is built as a foundational financial tool, making it an excellent choice for someone who wants to take control of their credit without worrying about the trap of shifting market rates. What makes this card stand out right now is its fixed rate structure. Most big banks use variable APRs that fluctuate whenever the economy shifts, but here, once your initial period ends, your rate stays predictable based on your original creditworthiness. This provides a huge sense of security because you know exactly what to expect when you look at your monthly statement. The introductory offer is one of the most aggressive and helpful features for anyone dealing with high interest debt or planning a large purchase. For the first 12 months after opening the account, there is a 1.9% fixed intro APR. What is truly unique here is that this 1.9% rate applies not just to new purchases, but also to balance transfers and even cash advances. Most cards hit you with massive fees and sky-high interest rates for cash advances, but Purdue Federal keeps it consistent. If you are struggling with debt on another card, this is a massive win because there are $0 balance transfer fees and $0 annual fees. You could effectively move a high-interest balance over to this card and pay it down for a full year while only paying 1.9% interest, which is a total game changer for your monthly budget. Beyond the low rates, the card offers some surprisingly high-end protections that you usually do not see on a traditional tier card. For example, it includes cell phone protection, which covers damage or theft if you simply use the card to pay your monthly wireless bill. It also comes with an auto rental collision damage waiver and identity theft protection through NortonLifeLock, which includes dark web monitoring. These are the kinds of safety nets that save you real money and provide peace of mind in the long run. On the rewards side, you start with a base rate of 1 point per $1 spent. While that might seem basic, the My Member Perks program allows you to scale that up. If you engage more with the credit union, like signing up for paperless statements, you can reach diamond status and earn up to 1.75% cash back. It is a system that rewards loyalty and good financial habits. However, it is important to be realistic about the downsides to see if this fits your lifestyle. If you are someone who travels outside of the country often, this might not be your primary card because it can incur a 1% foreign transaction fee. Also, the base rewards rate of 1% is lower than some of the big national banks that offer a flat 1.5 or 2% right out of the gate. Another hurdle is that you cannot just sign up. You have to be eligible for membership at Purdue Federal Credit Union, which usually means being an alum, a student, or having an employer or family member connected to the institution. Some users have also noted that the credit union can be a bit conservative when it comes to credit limits, so if you are looking for a massive line of credit instantly, you might find the manual underwriting process a bit slower than the automated systems at massive corporate banks. After that initial 12-month introductory period of 1.9%, the interest rate transitions to a fixed rate between 15.5% and 17.5%. This is significantly lower than the national average for credit cards, which often climbs well above 20%. There is also no mention of a penalty APR, which is a huge relief for anyone who might accidentally miss a payment by a few days and doesn't want to see their interest rate triple overnight. The minimum monthly payment is either $25 or 3% of your balance, whichever is greater, and the minimum interest charge is just 50 cents. It is a very fair and transparent fee structure designed for the consumer's benefit. In summary, this card is a powerhouse for anyone looking to build credit or consolidate debt at a very low cost. It is one of the cheapest ways to carry a balance because of that fixed APR and the lack of balance transfer or cash advance fees. However, it is not the best choice for someone who prioritizes high-speed rewards and international travel. The risks are minimal compared to other cards, but they do exist. If you fail to pay off your balance during the intro period, you will eventually move into that 15.5 to 17.5% range. Additionally, because it is a credit union card, you have to stay mindful of membership requirements to keep your account in good standing. Overall, it is a stable, protective, and highly affordable tool for everyday financial management.